Welcome, Barca fans and football enthusiasts. Today we're bringing you an up-close look at what's really happening inside FC Barcelona's beloved Spotify Camp Nou. With deadlines looming, the stakes for the club have never been higher. Come with us as we unpack the financial intricacies and ongoing development at one of the world's greatest stadiums. As we explore deeply into the inner workings of one of the world's most iconic stadiums, it becomes clear that there is much more at play than just the roar of the crowd and the thrill of game day. Behind every successful sporting venue lies a complex of financial hurdles, investment issues, and ongoing development. But amidst all this chaos, there is also excitement and anticipation for what's to come. As we take you on a journey through the intricacies of this club's financial operations, you'll gain a better understanding of how it all comes together. First up, let's talk finance. Every week that passes with the Camp Nou still under renovation costs FC Barcelona millions. Their temporary home at the Olympic Stadium is both a boon and a burden, adding to the club's fiscal challenges. With $18 million in losses every year, each delay magnifies the risk of plunging into further financial chaos. A successful renovation is more than just a facelift. It's pivotal for Barcelona's financial revival. Despite the setbacks, significant upgrades are underway in the main stand. It's not just about expanding seating capacity, it's about creating a state-of-the-art experience for fans. From enhanced facilities to improved sightlines, every decision shapes the future atmosphere of the stadium. It's all about bringing our rich history into a modern world setting. One of the most ambitious parts of the project is the third tier. These monumental support pillars represent more than structural integrity. They symbolize the resilience and ambition of the club. As stadium construction advances upwards, ensuring safety and comfort remains top of mind. To meet the needs of growing fan attendance, newly developed parking facilities are now ready to support game day logistics. With additional parking options, fans can now easily access the stadium and enjoy the game without worrying about finding a spot for their car. These new facilities also include accessible parking spaces for individuals with disabilities, ensuring equal opportunities for all to attend and support their favorite team. In addition to expanding parking options, the stadium has also implemented a new traffic flow system to improve the overall efficiency of entering and exiting the premises. This includes designated drop-off and pickup areas for ride-sharing services, as well as improved signage and traffic control measures. Below the surface, the underground parking project is in full swing. Designed to accommodate thousands of vehicles, these depths add vital capacity and accessibility. This modernized infrastructure will streamline how fans arrive on match day, helping reduce congestion and enhance the experience. Soon, fans will witness the new grandstand unfold, a testament to architectural innovation. Boasting next-gen amenities, the grandstand promises to be a crown jewel for Barcelona supporters, amplifying both enthusiasm and energy. With plans for seamless integration into surrounding areas, it reflects smart urban design tailored to a football giant. From larger thoroughfares to bustling concession stands, every detail has been refined, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time cheering. While the timeline is ambitious, every effort is made to finish within the deadline. Each week brings us closer, not just to a finished stadium, but to stability, growth, and renewed passion for FC Barcelona's legacy. Thank you for joining us on this incredible behind-the-scenes tour of Camp Nou's transformation, a nerve-wracking yet heartening endeavor for every culé. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, Força Barça! Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content and updates from football's grandest stages.